Hazrat Nafi reports, Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu went to Abdullah bin Umar and his mount was at home. He said, I fear that this year a battle might take place among the people and they might prevent you from going to Allah's house. So you may stay here. He said, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out, the infidels belonging to the Quraysh intervened between him and the Kaaba. So if they intervene between me and Allah's house, I will do the same what Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam did. For undoubtedly you have the best in the following of the Apostle. Then he said, I make you a witness that I have enjoyed on me Umrah as well as Hajj. The reporter says that then he reached Makkah Mukarramah and made only one circuit for both of them. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1639.